Is your YouTube channel header a digital eyesore, costing you subscribers? Today, we're diving into Nano Banana to create a stunning channel header that attracts viewers and perfectly represents your brand in just a few simple steps. First, log in to Nano Banana and navigate to the channel header design section. Here you can either start with a blank canvas, or, for a quicker start, browse through their professionally designed templates, choose one that resonates with your channel's theme. Now let's customize it. Replace the placeholder text with your channel name and upload your logo. Be sure to position them prominently, but without obstructing the view on different devices. Next, tweak the colors and fonts to match your brand's identity. Nano Banana offers a wide array of options, so experiment until you find the perfect combination that reflects your channel's personality. Add your social media handles as icons, making it easy for viewers to connect with you on other platforms. Include a clear call to action like subscribe or watch now to encourage engagement. Before finalizing, use Nano Banana's device preview feature to ensure your header looks great on desktops, tablets, and mobile phones. This is crucial for optimal viewing on all devices. And there you have a professional, eye-catching channel header that elevates your brand and attracts new viewers, all thanks to the power of Nano Banana.